Alright, I'm recording now, I think. Okay, so this is one that's, widely documented. I saw it on Recall Vector, one of my favorite Mandela Effect channels, because he covers ones that others have that I don't have. And he understands that we all have different experiences, and he's cool about it. I don't have the same effects he does, but apparently he's questioned a lot of people. Suso goes around asking people. I'm a hermit, so I don't really do any of that. But it's been well documented that Uncle Sam's hat in this reality is white with a blue band and white stars, as you see here. Now there's a few holdovers in here. How do you change this? Oh, okay. Like that one. Like you can see what I'm pointing at. Like this one. Haha. Okay. And then if you scroll down, there's a few more here with the red and the white, like we remember, and the blue band that we remember. But for the most part, it's the white hat with the blue band. All right, so I found some residual today. Well, actually, my child has this magnet, and I apologize for how you have to see this. It's the only way I can get it through right now. So there's this cat magnet, and it came with all these different parts where you can dress it up. And we got it in like 2003, and my children are so good with their things that we still have it and all its parts. Though one piece of it, I think the necklace it wears sometimes is a little bent. But as you can see, his hat's like we remember it. Little Uncle Sam hat on the kitty cat. And that's some residual that we found for Uncle Sam.